Before you decide to buy 7FAR International, there are 7 important things you need to know. Stick around until the end, because I'll break down the features that set it apart from the competition and show you exactly why it's worth your attention. If you're thinking about getting this product, you'll want to make sure it's the right fit for your needs, especially when you compare it to alternatives out there. First off, 7FAR International is known for its user-friendly interface. Unlike some other products in the same space, it doesn't overwhelm you with complicated dashboards or endless settings. You can dive in and start using it immediately without needing a steep learning curve. This is one of the key selling points for people who don't want to waste time on software that's difficult to navigate. Next thing, the pricing structure is a huge factor to consider. When compared to similar platforms, 7FAR International offers great value for money. It's priced competitively while still providing robust features that typically come with more expensive solutions. And speaking of getting value, if you click the first link in the description, you'll get the best offer available, including a free trial. You'll be able to test the full version of the software with no commitment, which is a great perk. The third thing to know is the customer support. A standout feature of 7FAR International is their responsive support team. Unlike competitors where you might wait for days to get a response, 7FAR International delivers fast and helpful support. Whether you're having technical issues or need advice on how to get the most out of the product, you can count on their team to be there for you. Now let's talk about integration. If you've used similar products, you know how crucial integrations are to ensure smooth workflows. 7FAR International excels here, offering seamless integration with a wide range of other tools you're probably already using. Whether it's CRMs, email marketing platforms, or other business software, getting everything to work together is a breeze. Next, the features themselves. 7. FAR International offers a comprehensive suite of tools that can handle all of your needs and more. While many competitors focus on just one area, 7FAR International covers multiple facets of your business, making it a more versatile solution. From project management to team collaboration and reporting, it's all built into one platform. This all-in-one approach saves you the hassle of managing multiple subscriptions and learning different software. The sixth thing is scalability. As your business grows, 7FAR International grows with you. It's designed to scale easily, so whether you're a small business or a large corporation, this product can handle the load. It gives you the flexibility to add new users, expand your features, and adjust your plans as needed without any major disruptions to your workflow. And finally, security. One thing that often gets overlooked when purchasing software is data security. 7. FAR International has top-tier security features, including encryption and secure cloud storage. In a world where data breaches are becoming more common, this is a crucial selling point. You can trust that your data is safe with them, which isn't always the case with every competitor. So, if you're considering 7FAR International, make sure you're aware of these key factors. To make it easier for you, don't forget to click the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal for the software, including a completely free trial so you can try it out risk-free and see for yourself how it stacks up against the competition. If you want to experience all these benefits for yourself, get started today by clicking the link in the description. You'll be able to explore everything that 7FAR International has to offer, and I can promise you won't be disappointed.